good morning. This Saturday, late na kami nagising. Ayan, umaraw na kami nag-ride. Back to saddle, yung kuya natin, Kuya RJ. Ayan, shout out Team Pinward. Ayan, LLB shout out, Team LB shout out. So ngayong araw, may charity daw doong nagkaganap. So puntahan natin. Marites tayo at tulong din tayo na kung maabutan pa natin. Tanghali na kasi. Ayan, bye, don't forget to follow.